Hello everyone, this is Paul. This is a quick tutorial on soldering. What we got here is a soldering iron that's variable temperature. Turn the knob right here like this. There's all different types of soldering guns out there. I like using this kind because you can add more heat or turn it down. We got here is some flux paste. We got some solder. Pull it out like that. Just thin little piece of wire. We got some wire strippers. We got a small piece of wire, and we got some wire clippers. The difference between clippers and strippers is this is meant to cut the wire, or wire cutters, people might say. Got two pieces. Wire stripper. There's all different kinds of wire strippers out there. I like these kind because it's really hard to mess up. Kind of looking through the lens and doing this at the same time. So we got two pieces of wire here and they're frayed. So what I like to do is twist, nothing major. Solder these two wires together, you use this flux. It sort of looks like Vaseline, almost. Who knows, it might be Vaseline. Now another tool to have, and something that comes in really handy, is one of these holders. You can bend it all different ways or anything you want. Let me scoot this wire out of the way so it's less confusing. So we dipped the end of our wires into this solder already. We have the wires set up in the little holder. Depending on what hand you are, I'm right-handed, so I'll hold the soldering iron with my right hand and my solder with my left. Let me see if I can zoom down on this for you. There you go. You got your two wires with the paste on it. Next thing you do is you take the soldering iron. Take the solder and you melt a little bit of solder on it until you get a little puddle. It's hard to see. Cameras continue to focus. Now what we're going to do is just touch the solder to the wire. Hold it there. Hold it there. And voila, you have a wire that is now soldered. hard to see. Inspect it to make sure your solder got all around it. And that is soldering.